In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use OneXBet bonus amount. So before you continue, I advise you create a professional OneXBet account, and to do that, you click on register. After you click on register, you click on full. When you click on full, you input all the necessary details correctly, and then on your promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. When you input the promo code Chelsea TV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000 free money. And then you can go ahead and click on these three boxes below, and then you register. Alright, let's go back to our video. So how to use OneXBet bonus amount, you click on menu. After you click on menu, as you can see, you are already on 1x games. So when you scroll down, you see bonuses. Then you click on bonuses. You can see we have two games there: play lucky wheel and win unique bonuses. Complete a task each day to get daily bonuses. So when you do this, you play, click on play. After you click on play, you can decide to play any game of your choice to increase your bonus amount. And when you increase your bonus amount, it will now go to your bonus wallet. You go back. Same thing goes for casino games as well. So when you go back and click on casino, you can see, you click on promo. After you click on promo, you click on bonuses for games. Then you can decide to play any game of your choice. There are so many games you can decide to play here, and when you play here, it increases your bonus amount. So when your bonus amount has been increased, you now go back. When you go back, you can decide to use your bonus amount to play any game of your choice. You can decide to play this game, Premier League, Basketball League. You can decide to play any game of your choice with your bonus amount. Very easy.